Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the Roblox application is not launching on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So several times that you are trying to open and launch the Roblox, but this is not launching. First is make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. So try restarting your Windows first because once you restart your Windows, this will refresh all the system processes of your Windows. And sometimes a simple restart can fix a lot of issues. So try restarting first. And if it works, then good. But if not, then you need to move to the next methods. In the Windows search bar, open your favorite browser like the Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. So I'm going to open the Microsoft Edge browser, maximize this. Type here in the search bar status.roblox.com. Hit enter. Now here we need to know the status of the Roblox server. So it states right here that all systems operational. So in your case, if this isn't states right here that all systems operational, then you need to wait for that until it became all systems operational. And once this is all in green color, that means operational, well, good. The next method is you need to locate the Roblox player desktop icon. Now, if you don't have the desktop icon, simply search for Roblox in the Windows search bar. This one, make a right click. Again, it's right click, not left click, and then click on Run as Administrator. Try running the application as an administrator and let's see if it works. So here Roblox is launching. So from here you can just simply create an account if you don't have an account yet, or if you have an account already, then you just need to click on sign in and sign in with your username, password, and sign in the Roblox app and continue enjoying the game. Now for the next method is we also need to temporarily disable the antivirus of our Windows. So if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like the McAfee, Malwarebytes, or Avast, then temporarily disable that. Simply click on this show hidden icons on the taskbar. So if you're using Malwarebytes, McAfee, or Avast, you'll find the icon right here. Now simply make a right click on that and then select exit or quit. Then click on the Windows security icon, maximize this. On the options on the left pane, you have to click on virus and threat protection. Then here you'll find virus and threat protection settings, manage settings, click on it. So you'll find here real-time protection. So if this is enabled in your case, temporarily disable that. So simply switch the button off. Now, once you switch the button off, try to launch the Roblox application. And if it is already launching, then what you can do is you need to simply turn it on again. Again, let me clarify. To launch the Roblox application, simply temporarily disable the real-time protection and the div drive protection. Now, after you have launched the application, then you need to enable it again because this is important for the security of your Windows. The next method is we also need to disable the proxy. So in the Windows search bar, type here proxy settings. Click on it. Now, make sure automatically detect settings the button is switched on. Use a proxy server. If this is switched on in your case, just simply switch that off and click on save. Then close this, and then we also need to turn off the proxy for the LAN. So search for internet options in the Windows search bar. Click on it. Then the Internet Properties window will appear. Now click on the Connections tab. And here you'll find the Local Area Network, which is the LAN settings. Click on that. Then automatically detect settings. Make sure this is checked. And the proxy server, make sure this is unchecked. And click on OK. apply, and then OK. The next method is we also need to make sure that the graphics card driver is not outdated. So we need to update this. So in the Windows search bar again, type device manager, click on that under the best match. Now here in the device manager window, we need to locate the display adapters. This is where you can find your graphics card drivers. You might have the NVIDIA or AMD graphics card driver. Just do the same process. Make a right click, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close all the windows. Then also update your Windows. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update. Then simply click this button right here as to what it suggests, like check for updates. So once you will click on this button, this will download and install the latest updates for your Windows and will keep your Windows up to date. Then if the issue persists, then we need to uninstall the application and then reinstall it again. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on apps, installed apps. Then here, simply search for Roblox. Then click on these three dots, select uninstall, and then uninstall once again. Now, once the application has been uninstalled, then we need to reinstall it again. So in the Windows search bar, open your favorite browser. So I'm going to open the Microsoft Edge browser and type here in the search bar Roblox. Download, hit enter. Scroll down and you'll find the first option, which is from the official website of Roblox, www.roblox.com. Now click on download Roblox. Then simply click on this button, download Windows app. Then the installer file will be downloaded. Just simply double click. Then close the remaining windows. And let's just wait for this to reinstall Roblox into our Windows. So now the Roblox player has been reinstalled into our Windows and it will open up for you, or this will launch. So from here, you can just simply sign in with your Roblox account and continue enjoying the game. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.